10 minus 5 is
Alright, so we're going to start. Today we're going to be focusing on subtracting numbers. I'm going to put something on my screen and I want you to tell me what you think the answer is. I'm going to give you.
Thank you.
And you're going to write it down and show me what the answer is. Okay, so see it.
I don't want to.
So, here's the first one. It's very easy. Write the answer and show me.
I don't want.
5 minus 4.
Oh, I know what that means.
I'm going to give you 30 seconds to write it on your board and show me. Go to your seat.
1.
30 seconds. All right. The timer's up. Show me your answer. Over here. Stay right here.
Time up.
1. Let me see. No, what answer did you get?
I'm
No.
gonna do it so
You don't have to write down the problem. You just have to write down the answer. and show me. It's okay. I'll fix it.
Can I be in the middle?
Yes, you can be it.
Wait, why?
So what is 5 minus 4? What was 5 minus 4?
1.
1. How do we know that? What can we do to figure it out? How can we figure out what's 5 minus 4? Noah?
Count by it.
Count by what?
We can't count.
When one is
Count the
speaking, we're all
numbers
listening.
together. Count the numbers together.
When one is speaking, we are listening. So tell us again, Noah.
Count the numbers together.
You can count the numbers together and we're subtracting. Are we taking away or adding more?
Adding.
If we're subtracting, we're taking away or adding more?
Taking away.
So how many did we need to take away, Michael?
4.
4. So how much was left?
1.
1. That was easy. Let's do one more. Find another one. What is 10 minus 8? I'm going to give you 10 seconds.
2.
Write it in your board.
2.
You're going to write it in your board.
But I don't have no more. It's still not working.
You can still see it. Just write gently with it. So when you figure it out, you're going to write on your board. Show me when I tell you show me.
I have my iPad.
Okay?
Oh no. This book. I gotta get my iPad too.
No, we do not need our iPad.
But why did her get 2?
We do not need our iPad.
I need it.
Okay.
See,
let's
look
put
my
it right here. 10 minus, yes. 10 minus 8 is what?
2.
Okay. Good job. How could we figure that out, Michael? Can you tell us how can we figure out what 10 minus 8 is?
Add these dots.
By
Subtracting. So what is the thing you do first?
Subtract the number. You count the number.
So which number do you count first?
10. No, Anna. You don't have to write the
All right.
You have to write the answer. No.
Listen, guys. Now we are going. What about this number? 58 minus 39.
That's hard.
That's hard. How could we figure this out, Michael?
With cubes.
With cubes. Do we have 58 cubes?
No.
So then what can we do?
There's cubes right there.
If there's not enough, what could we do?
Use all the cubes. Like give half.
But what if you're in the store and you have $58 and you have to subtract 39 and you don't have 58 cubes? What can you do? I'm gonna show you a song, okay? This song. Let me see the marker. Because Anna took my board. Thank you. This song, what we need to do, I'm going to show you the song after we write it down. So when you have two numbers that are a little difficult to do with your fingers or your hand or your cubes, you put them on top of each other. So the first thing is we're going to put the first number on top, 58 right here, and the next number underneath. Should I write it like that?
No.
No. They have to be in the same place value. Do you remember when we talked about place value?
Yes.
The ones have to be under the ones and the tens under the tens. So do I put 39 like this?
No.
Is that aligned?
No.
Where should I put it, Michael?
Right where the numbers are.
Okay, so where should I put the 3?
Next to the 5.
Next to it?
No. Like on the bottom.
Under it. Very good job. And the 9 should go under?
The 8.
And this is right here, the 1's place, and this is the 10's place. Do you remember?
Yes.
Now we need a symbol. So we know if we are
It's a
subtracting.
minus.
Sit on your bottom, thank you. If we know, we need to know if we're subtracting or adding. So what are we doing, Michael?
Subtracting.
Subtracting. Good job. So let's start. When we start subtracting, we always start on our one side.
On this close.
We have a problem.
There's cubes right
We're
there.
gonna start right here.
I want to use the cubes.
No, sit down. We're gonna start right here. What is 8 minus 9?
I know. 1. Can I use my fingers?
Okay.
Can I use the cubes?
What if we have 8? Show me 8 with
Oh,
your
we're
fingers.
taking away 8.
But what if you have 8?
It makes
8.
It's.
But 8 is on top. So what do we do? What if you have 8 and you have to take away 9? Do you have enough to take away?
Yeah. No, I said that makes 1. So we're
No.
adding.
You have 8.
It's hard.
So that's what we need to learn.
So Miss Libby, we have to add Miss Libby, so we have to add.
So we have to add.
And then we take away.
No, we don't add. We're not gonna add. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to our next door neighbor.
No.
You know who our neighbor is?
No.
This is our neighbor. The one, the 10s.
The 5.
So the 8 is gonna tell him, hey, I need an extra number. And the neighbor, since he's so friendly, is gonna say, okay, you can take just 1. So what if we take 1 from the 5? What is it gonna turn into? It's 5, and he gave 1 to 8. How many
That's
left?
4.
So we're gonna change it to a 4. And this one, he added a 1. So instead of being 18, instead of being 8, it's gonna be 18. Because you're gonna add a 1 here. So now it's a big enough number to subtract 9 from. So what is 18 minus 9?
Hey, give me another number.
What's 18 minus 9?
What?
18 minus 9.
18 minus 9, 20. No. 11?
Count with your fingers.
Oh, yeah.
You can use fingers,
So,
you can use
can I
your
use-
board.
I'm going to use this.
Okay. You can use your hundreds chart, that's right here too.
I want to use the cubes.
18.
I want to use the cubes. I use the cubes. Hey.
Miss Libby,
Mhm.
am I counting this? Am I counting this way or counting this way?
Look at this.
It's backwards because you're subtracting.
Oh, so 18, 20.
Mhm.
18, 20.
18, 20, 21. What? That's a lot of numbers. No, what?
I'm using the box.
Okay,
I don't know.
let me see this first.